Ever wondered what's happening behind the shiny skyscrapers and tourist hotspots in Seoul? Hi there, I'm Kimchiman, your friend in Seoul. You know, to truly get a city, you need to live it as a local. To venture into the less crowded corners, to eat and live as Seoulites do. And that's what Seoul10 Challenge is all about. Forget the usual tours. I'm taking you to vibrant side streets, friendly local hangouts, and secret picturesque spots. I'll lead you into real neighborhoods, busy markets, and guide you through Korean traditions. You'll taste treats that only the locals know about. Ready for an unforgettable experience? You will have 10 cool missions to complete in just 5 hours. But remember, it's not about rushing. It's about experiencing, learning, and connecting. And here's the crazy part. This unforgettable journey starts at 6 a.m. sharp.
Don't even know.
Yes, you heard it right. You might need to catch the first train to meet me. But trust me, the early rise will be worth every moment.
감사합니다.
So why just see Seoul when you can live it, feel it, and immerse yourself in it? Break away from the usual tourist trail. Create your own journey. Join Seoul10 Challenge today. Let your adventurous spirit soar. Dive into the authentic Seoul. Your unforgettable journey starts here. Kimchiman Seoul10 Challenge. Experience Seoul like never before. And most importantly, it's free.
Bruh.